In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a font username on TikTok like I do. That's very simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your browser and put in here that website name lingojam.com. And once you open this website, just tap on that fancy text generator link right here to open link generator, and here you can put in that field some text to get a bunch of different fonts. Let me show you how it works. I will type here any word or my name, for example, and you see just below here in that field I get different options and different fonts. I can select one that I like. I like that one, then I just double tap on it and I need to select all these words, then copy that text, go back to TikTok. Here select edit profile, open up name, and here delete existing name and just paste here name we copied and tap save. Then go back to our profile page and see that new name was successfully applied. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.